I'm nearly finished. That was a mission. What's going on, doggies? Welcome back to another video and welcome to my coronavirus free zone. So got me thinking all this shit in the media about coronavirus. What would I do if it got super bad? Man, I'd just come here. This is like an island in the middle of absolutely nowhere. No people, it's hard to get to. So it's hard for coronavirus to get here. And dude, I'll just live off the land. I've got my fishing rod with me, so who knows what I'm gonna do today. Start a fire, cook up a couple of fish if I can get a couple, and yeah, I'll be here if you want to find me. First, let's get the drone in the air because this place is actually really dope. Look at that, it's magic. That was so lucky. I nearly put that drone in the drink. Wow. I don't know what happened then, but it just went skitsy and just started doing its own thing. So we'll put this away for now. Good job, mate. So this beach is actually really sick. It's got a fireplace already made. It's got this little hut here. It's got this little hut which is already made as well. It's actually really dope, and yeah, I'm gonna get this fire started now. And then hopefully we can walk around the edge there to a bit deeper water and flick a few, far out, I can't even speak today. Flick a few lures off the edge of that reef. So let's get this fire started. Cheating today. Everything's so wet. Come on. Ah! It's actually really hard because all of these leaves are really wet and this one's green. Come on. All right, we are on. I'm gonna go for a fish, see if we can get a fish to put on this fire because I'm getting pretty hungry. Yeah, there we go, now she's going. Woo! Ah, my eyes. Alright, so I think we got this fire to a stage where I can leave it and go out for a swim. So before I go for a fish, I'm going to quickly jump out here, swim up and down this edge. I don't have a spear gun or anything, but at least we can see if we can see fish, or I'd love to eat a sea urchin, maybe some turban snails on this dry reef. I don't know. Let's get in the water. It's going to be beautiful because I'm sweating bullets. Oh, this reef is really sharp. I've got no flippers on. There's a lot of water moving. Not a lot to eat in here. Maybe I'll have to get that fishing rod out. Oh well, let's check out this little puffer fish. So you can actually eat these. I reckon I'm going to find something that's a bit more tasty than a sea cucumber. But in some countries they're a delicacy. I don't know. I'll let this guy go because surely there's going to be something better to eat than that. Oh, you just spat me in the mouth. water is so good. Not really a lot in there. That current is actually really strong. The water's murky, so we'll get that fishing rod out. How's that? I just got pissed. A sea cucumber just pissed in my mouth. What? First time for everything, eh? Fire's pumping. Time to get a fish. I'm frothing. Let's do this. Oh, there are so many little bait fish just getting smashed in the shallow water here. It's actually really shallow, but there must be fish chasing all those bait fish around, because that was a big school of bait fish jumping then. Wonder what that was. Really shallow. Oh, see that? Oh, oh, what is that? Come on, come on, come on. Oh, that was mad. First cast in the little shallow pocket. Here we go. Oh no. Oh. Oh yes. Whoa. Oh, you are fucking kidding me. No. That was good. That was actually not a bad fish. Right, gonna go get another lure. Just spit me off straight away. I'll go get another lure and we'll run back. Woohoo! Get out there again. Come on. That's it, first cast. Oh, it's chasing it. Come on. What is that thing? Right behind it the whole way. Come on, come on, come on. Alright, I gotta put my rod in here. Hopefully it doesn't fall out. That should be alright there, I think. Because my lure's stuck on a rock out there. And it looks really sharp. So, I guess I'm going in swimming for it. You watch this, I'm gonna slice my feet open. Why do I do this dumb shit to myself? There's my line. This reef is like pins and needles on my feet. Ooh. Oh, great. Oh. Oh, I can see it. It's just there. I'm not losing my lure. There it is. Oh, yes. Now get me in. Oh, there's a dude fishing there. What's he doing here? Mad. Catching all these little fish in a gill net. Do you get big fish here? Off the edge. Okay. Alright man, good luck, yeah? I'm actually getting really hungry, so if I catch anything, I'm just gonna cook it. I don't even care what it is. But this water looks absolutely amazing. Oh, and it's a plastic bag. No, man. I thought I was on first cast. Oh, it's actually worse than a plastic bag. It's a fucking nappy. That's a nappy, dude. That is so crook. How messed up is this? That's actually a nappy. I just caught a nappy. That is disgusting. Wonder what the fish tastes like around here. Dude, that's crook. I'm gonna have to crank my drag when he comes out. There's a fish, just belted my lure on the surface and it's gone under a rock. Far out. Oh no. It's gone under so deep. Far out. Definitely a fish butt. I'm doing this again. I'm leaving it in the rocks, leaving tension on the line. I'm gonna run back there, grab my mask, swim out there and try to unhook the fish. Wow, it's so sharp. All right, here goes. What is happening out here? What is going on out here? Something smashed that lure, but it was stuck on the bottom. I got no idea, but I'm gonna have the biggest tangle up here on my rod, so need to make our way back in. Oh. All right, let's go. Oh. Just to make things a bit more interesting, I'm gonna get knocked out by a piece of bloody driftwood. Of course I am. Oh my God, my line is twisted up everywhere. This is bad. Get out of my way. Oh my God, my line's on the bloody driftwood. Oh no. This is gonna be bad. Throw my lure in one of them rock pools. Oos. Yep, that was a good enough throw. See if I can get up here. Oh, run! Alright, I'm taking a complete different approach. Put the lures away. I've got an unweighted hook with just a little bit of a mollusk that I found. Drop it down there. Anything. I want anything now, just something to eat. Anything. Alright, let's get these coals ready for that fish. Yeah, nah, what fish? No fish. Nothing on the lures, nothing on the bait. I don't know what's going on, but I've got to meet my boat driver in 2 hours on the other side of this island. So it leaves me with an hour to run over there. It took me 2 hours to get here, so I'm gonna have to run. Anyway guys, if you like this video, smash that subscribe button, and remember, if you're scared of coronavirus, come here, it's as safe as houses. Much love, thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Soup. Alright, so I am now about an hour and a half into my walk back to the boat. Just thinking, reminiscing on that day. What the hell, no fish? Didn't eat anything, I'm starving, I haven't drank anything. Still love that kind of shit. And yeah, if you're ever scared of coronavirus, go there. There'll be none. Woo! How sick's this backdrop, but I'd live here forever.